The millionaire habit that takes just a few minutes. You don't need to watch the stock market every day. One small habit that takes just minutes can change your financial future for decades. Could you become a millionaire without budgeting every dollar? Forget endless spreadsheets and strict budgets. This book explains how ordinary people can build extraordinary wealth with a simple automated system. The book that changed modern personal finance. Ramit Sethi believes becoming rich isn't about cutting coffee or extreme budgeting. It's about building simple systems that run your finances automatically. What does rich mean to you? Is it a dream house, traveling, family, business, early retirement? Forget someone else's definition of wealth. Define your own rich life before making financial decisions. Jason, I want to retire at 40. Jack, I want to travel every summer. Jason, we have different dreams. Jack, but same goal, financial freedom. Part 1. Winning the money psychology game. Money is emotional, not logical. Ramit argues that money problems are rarely about math. They're about fear, shame, identity, habits learned in childhood. You already know you should save and invest, but knowing isn't the problem. Behavior is. The biggest money mistake: waiting is expensive. Every year you delay investing reduces the power of compound growth. Industry example: the software engineer who still felt broke. Aisha is a software engineer earning $120,000 a year. On paper, she's winning, but emotionally, she feels broke. Aisha: I make good money, but I'm scared to spend anything. Henry: so you don't trust yourself with money. Aisha: exactly. Then the problem isn't income, it's systems. Once Aisha automated savings and investing, her anxiety disappeared, not because she earned more, but because she stopped relying on willpower. Automation builds wealth quietly. Route your income into one checking account, then automatically pay bills, save money, and invest. You may not notice daily progress, but over time, these consistent actions create remarkable financial growth. Automate every paycheck, cover bills, grow investments, and spend confidently while your wealth builds quietly over time. Part 2. The 6-week program to a rich life. The book is structured as a step-by-step system, not theory. Let's break it down. Step 1. Optimize your bank accounts. Ramit recommends 4 core accounts. 1. Checking account, for bills. 2. High-interest savings account, emergency fund. Let's take an example of Ali, freelance designer. Ali's freelance income changes every month, but his money no longer feels chaotic. 4 simple accounts automatically handle bills, savings, investing, and fun, giving every dollar a clear purpose. Ali: for the first time, I don't panic between projects. Friend Taylor: what changed? Ali: my money finally has structure. Step 3. Conscious spending plan. Ramit hates traditional budgets. Instead, he introduces the conscious spending plan, dividing income into percentages. Fixed costs, 50 to 60%. Investments, 10 to 20%. Savings, 5 to 10%. Guilt-free spending, 20 to 30%. No tracking every penny. No shame. Spending without guilt. If your guilt-free account has money, spend it, enjoy it, no regret. This is radical in personal finance. Let's take an example of the couple always fighting about money. Hassan and Sana argue constantly. One saves, one spends. After using Ramit's plan, savings happen automatically. Fun money is equal for both. Step 4. Investing made boring, and that's good. Ramit believes boring investing is successful investing. He strongly recommends low-cost index funds, long-term mindset, ignoring market noise, no day trading, no crypto hype, no stock tips. Why simplicity wins? Most people lose money not because markets fail, but because they interfere. Ramit's rule: set it, forget it, let time do the work. Let's take an example of the first-time investor afraid of the market. Usman avoided investing for years. He waited for the perfect time. After following Ramit's simple index strategy, he invested monthly. Market ups and downs stopped scaring him. Usman: what if the market crashes? Mentor: then you'll be buying on sale. Step 5. Credit cards used the right way. Ramit flips the script on credit cards. Used correctly, build credit, earn rewards, increase security. Used incorrectly, create debt traps. Rule: pay the full balance every month, always. The entrepreneur who leveraged rewards. Zain runs a small e-commerce business. He uses credit cards for inventory, ads, travel, but never carries a balance. Result: free flights, cashback, strong credit score. Credit cards are tools. Credit cards aren't evil. Used responsibly, they build credit history, rewards, and financial flexibility. Friend, aren't credit cards dangerous? Zain, only if you don't control them. Part 3. Earning more matters more than saving more. Ramit is blunt. You can't cut your way to rich. He encourages negotiating salary, building side incomes, increasing earning potential. Saving has limits, income doesn't. Negotiation is a skill, not a personality trait. Ramit provides scripts, examples, and frameworks to ask for more without being aggressive. Part 4. Designing your rich life. This is where everything comes together. Money becomes a tool, a support system, not a source of stress. Ramit wants you to ask, what does a rich life look like for me? Then build systems to support it. Final takeaways. 1. Focus on systems, not willpower. 2. Automate everything possible. 3. Spend guilt-free on what you love. 4. Invest simply and consistently. 5. Increase income. Don't just cut costs. If you enjoyed this summary, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.